How do I use SPARKvue on my phone to tag sensor measurements with their GPS location? SPARKvue can now access the built-in GPS on both Android phones and iPhones. In this example, I'll be using an iPhone and a wireless temperature sensor. I'll begin on the welcome screen and choose Sensor Data. I'll make sure that my sensor is on and I'll choose it here. I'm using temperature in this example to connect to it. And I now have the temperature sensor connected, and you'll see below that there's an option for the onboard GPS sensor. I'll switch that on. This sensor offers latitude, longitude, altitude, and speed, and all those will be recorded as long as this sensor is on. I'm going to ensure that latitude stays checked and my temperature measurement is checked, and choose the digits and graph display template. I've chosen to display the latitude so that I can look down in a live data bar and ensure that I have a good GPS reading. A bad one typically means the latitude or longitude will be 0, but I can see that this value of 38.8 degrees is a reasonable latitude for my location. I'll go ahead and press Start to begin recording data from both my sensor and the GPS, and I'll move around so we can see some change in the measurements. Once I've collected my data, I'll press Stop to end that run of data collection. And now I could choose to export my data via the Share Data button into a KML file for use in Google Earth, or if I have a live internet connection via my cell phone, I could map directly in SPARKvue. I'll do that by building a new page after the current one. I'll choose the top template of one object, and I'll choose the map display. This goes out and fetches a live map of my location over the internet, and I'll choose to select measurement of temperature. And now I can see the locations where my temperatures were recorded, along with this color indication of the temperature reading itself.